Do you want to send one-time voice message on WhatsApp? You can send one-time view audio message in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send one-time voice message on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Sending one-time voice message on WhatsApp is an audio message that can only be listened to once by the recipient before it disappears. To send one-time view voice message on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, navigate to the chat conversation where you want to send the disappearing voice message. This can be an individual chat or a group conversation. In the chat window, see the microphone icon next to the text input field. Tap and hold this microphone icon to start recording your voice message. While holding down the microphone icon, slide your finger upward toward the lock icon that appears on the screen. This will lock the recording. Now, speak your message to send as one-time view voice. When you've finished recording your voice message, tap on the stop recording icon to end the recording process. You'll notice a 1 inside a circle next to the voice message. Tap on this icon to enable the one-time view feature for your audio message. Once you've enabled one-time view for your voice message, tap on the send button to send it to the recipient. After sending the voice message, you'll see a small icon indicating that it has been sent as a one-time view message. If the recipient listens to your voice message, you'll see a notification indicating that it has been opened in the chat conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a one-time view voice message on WhatsApp.